The aerial friction brake attaches to a tree like a traditional block with a sling and allows the friction in a rigging system to be controlled from a canopy. The AFB is also designed with a snatching function for easy attachment to an anchor sling or midline attachment to a rigging line. When using this feature, be sure to fully tighten the pin. 2 wraps allows the user to control around 350 pounds, while 3 wraps can control up to 1,000 pounds. The square baller decreases surface contact for easier retrieval of unloaded rigging lines. Lines between ½ inch and 3/4 inch diameter can be used. The ability to adjust friction in the canopy incorporates climbers to assist in control of the rigging. This is especially helpful when working with inexperienced ground crews or with smaller outfits.